is the check-in counter? Where is the check-in counter? I have a flight to New York. I have a flight to New York. Can I see your passport, please? Can I see your passport, please? Here is my passport and ticket. Here is my passport and ticket. How many bags are you checking in? How many bags are you checking in? Just one suitcase. Just one suitcase. Do you have any carry-on luggage? Do you have any carry-on luggage? Please place your bag on the scale. Please place your bag on the scale. Your bag is overweight. Your bag is overweight. You need to pay an extra fee. You need to pay an extra fee. Here is your boarding pass. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate number is 25. Your gate number is 25. Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m. Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m. How do I get to gate 25? How do I get to gate 25? Is there a security check ahead? Is there a security check ahead? Please remove your shoes and belt. Please remove your shoes and belt. Put your laptop in a separate bin. Put your laptop in a separate bin. Do you have any liquids in your bag? Do you have any liquids in your bag? Sorry, I forgot to take out my water bottle. Sorry, I forgot to take out my water bottle. Please step forward for a security check. Please step forward for a security check. Enjoy your flight. Enjoy your flight. Where is the immigration counter? Where is the immigration counter? May I see your visa and passport? May I see your visa and passport? What is the purpose of your visit? What is the purpose of your visit? I'm here for business. I'm here for business. I'm here on vacation. I'm here on vacation. How long will you stay? How long will you stay? I will stay for 1 week. I will stay for 1 week. Where will you be staying? Where will you be staying? I have a hotel reservation. I have a hotel reservation. Can I bring this through customs? Can I bring this through customs? Do you have anything to declare? Do you have anything to declare? No, I have nothing to declare. No, I have nothing to declare. How long is the flight delay? How long is the flight delay? Is my flight on time? Is my flight on time? Can I change my seat? Can I change my seat? Is there Wi-Fi at the airport? Is there Wi-Fi at the airport? Where is the baggage claim area? Where is the baggage claim area? My bag is missing. What should I do? My bag is missing. What should I do? Can I get a luggage cart? Can I get a luggage cart? Where is the nearest restroom? Where is the nearest restroom? Do you have a currency exchange here? Do you have a currency exchange here? How much is the exchange rate? How much is the exchange rate? Where can I find a taxi? Where can I find a taxi? Is there a shuttle bus to the city? Is there a shuttle bus to the city? How long does it take to get downtown? How long does it take to get downtown? Can I rent a car here? Can I rent a car here? Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? I had a great trip. I had a great trip.